Hey guys, my name is 𝔐𝔲𝔏 and today I'm going to be unboxing the Druid LARPBOX. Now I'm really nervous for this because this was not cheap and I have no idea what's going to be in it other than Druid themed stuff. But you know, when I found out that they were coming out with the Druid box, I couldn't not get it. So this was April's box. I got it for my birthday and I'm finally receiving it like 2 months later. If you don't know what LARPBOX is, just look it up. It's just a subscription box for LARPers. Anyway, I'm gonna open it now. I'm so nervous. I don't want my money to go to waste. I'm definitely not big on mystery boxes. I like to know what I'm buying. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Alright. Ooh. Alright, so here's a little card basically describing everything that's in the box. You can read it if you want. I'm not gonna sit here and read it for you. First thing I'm gonna show you, I'm pretty sure they've already had this in the LARPBOX before. Pretty sure I've seen other people open this before, but it is Dragonglass Dagger. I'm assuming. It looks like it. Even though I'm pretty sure they've come out with this before, I love it. I think I would just be disappointed if I've already gotten it and then they sent it again. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. Flimsy. Good for LARP. I've been actually meaning to get a new dagger because I only have like real daggers. I don't have any flimsy daggers. And I like how it's all stone-like. Pretty much all of the characters I like to dress up as are very, you know, natural, foresty, so this is nice. It looks kind of like a giant arrowhead. Anyway, there's the first item. All right, next item is a t-shirt. Whoa. Not in love with the colors, but I love the design. So here's the shirt. It's like a purpley maroonish with blue. And it's got like a tree branch and a hand. You know, when I think of druids, I think of lots of greens, but that's okay. I'm still gonna be wearing this though because I mean, that's just a really cool design. All right, next item. Everyone needs their pouches, even though this one's tiny. Okay, so it's a Druidic Talisman neck pouch. You can read that if you want. Okay, there's something in here. I gotta open this whole thing up. Oh, okay. Okay, so inside the pouch we got a teeny little vial, a teeny little crystal, and a little artificial acorn. I might engrave like a little rune inside of it. Let's put it back in here. Oh, so we got a little sticker decal for LARPBOX. Next item, we have another pouch. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I forget what these are called. All right, it's called the California White Stage. You can read that if you want. You burn it and it's used to dispel negative energy, repel evil spirits, or enhance rituals. And it repels mosquitoes and other bugs. Ooh, this smells fantastic. It's a very earthy smell. It smells like a campfire. Campfire mixed with like, I don't know, herbs. But this is really nice. I don't even want to burn it. I just want to keep it like this forever. It smells really good. Oh, we got another sticker. So this is like the little symbol on the shirt. And it's like a durable sticker. I love this. I'm going to be using this. I don't know on what. Okay, last item. This is very cool. So this is a Druid tree spirit mask. Oh my god. Oh, this looks kind of creepy. Actually, okay. Imagine this painted. I'm not gonna leave it this color. Painted maybe like a darker brown, like regular bark, and put it with my dryad horns that I got from Mud and Majesty with my dryad costume. This is gonna be wicked cool. Okay, made in the form of a spriggan. You can read this if you want. So I'm guessing with this you're gonna put like, I'm gonna put a little string right here connecting back to this one so I can wrap it around my head. Oh my. It smells very leathery. Okay, this is definitely my favorite item in the box because I'm definitely gonna be using this because I wanted to make like a Skyrim Spriggan-y type mask. I'm just gonna need to find a paint that's gonna work on this. It's kind of like a leather. I think it is leather. It's just kind of a rough, stiff leather. Yeah, I'll paint it like a dark brown. Maybe some like green mossy looking bits on it. This is gonna be wicked. All right, so that was the Premiere Druid LARPBOX. Not a bad box. I like this box better than some of the other ones I've seen. But that's probably just because, you know, I love Druid Spriggans and all that. Yeah, I'm gonna say that I'm satisfied with this box. I was really nervous that I wasn't gonna be satisfied, but this is a good box. The only thing is I think the items in here were a little bit underwhelming. They look kind of like they came from Hobby Lobby or something. But yeah, I think this box is definitely worth, you know, $50 or however much it was. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do another LARPBOX. I really just got this one because it was a Druid theme and that's, you know, me. And I'm also not really into mystery boxes. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, share with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video.